Big squirrel coming after me. I know, because the wind's on that side.
I could have brought my drone out here.
The beach is right there.
Well, that was epic.
Epic failure. Where am I?
Right here.
I brought my good hiking shoes so I can actually grip the rock.
Yeah,
These are all way too big.
these are way too big. These are huge. I don't know why I was thinking. I didn't get up there. No, I'm not either.
I'm the one that always twists my ankle.
You're gonna fall. Like if you come down here.
Ah, too slow.
So you can't drive it down there? Drive it on?
Well, oh, Edgar. Smaller one's over here, dude.
Hang on. Nice. I can't get back up though. Oh yeah, there are smaller ones. Nice. The other ones back there were way too big. That is wicked. Oh my goodness. These are huge.
Huh?
These are massive. I'm gonna try it.
I want to get my drone, dude.
Go get it then. All right, now let's.
Drone can handle here.
There we go. Never mind. Okay. Let's reset. Right there. Oh, do I have it? That's a hard fail. Let me come over here. Made it. Oh no. Sand. Hill climb that against that. This is almost, oh my gosh, it's already getting stuck. I don't want to fling dirt up. Don't want to fling up sand because sand can kill the bearings. Oh my gosh. We'll start it right there. I pushed it up halfway, but still. Caught it. Okay, this isn't gonna work. It's too big. Got some sand in different areas, but I don't think any of the sand went into the bearings. It definitely didn't go into the motor. Oh, it should be okay. If we had 2.2s, this would be a lot easier.
I don't even think 2.2. I might be able to do that.
Oh, rock bouncing right there.
Yeah, I will. All right.
We need to get you a tube chassis one. That would be cool. Never mind.
Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna go fast down this.
You're gonna just.
I'm gonna
Let
see
me
if
go
I can
down
jump
there.
it.
Let me go down there. I want to go down there.
Well, I'm gonna stick it in second gear. I'm gonna see if I can get enough speed and land it.
Okay, go. Oh,
Oh!
okay. I forgot.
I stuck it in first.
Okay. So there's a giant gap right there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to make that.
I might with second. I had it in first by accident. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh, he got down.
I gave it too much throttle. Alright. I got nothing. That's not good.
That's not a good. It's not good at all. Okay. Plug it in. Okay. There's no power.
Bring it back to me, Edgar. I'll have to look at it. Mine is only rated 2. All right, let me check this out. We'll be there in a minute.
Way to get down. But we can crawl. And I think it's doable. I guess
Epic.
not. Yours wasn't much better. Yeah, so.
Hit the throttle, maybe your front wheels will start to speed. There you go. All right.
Okay, do what you are doing. No, you're gonna destroy. Okay, let me go get you. Recovery. Oh, he made it. Wow. Want to get really risky? There's a giant drop down here to sand. You have to come down and look at it though. I don't want. What? Well, come over here. I don't want you to be like to jump it because I said so and then you break something. I don't know. It's a pretty big drop. Oh well. In that case, since you got second gear,
Hey, you ready?
jump it, see what happens. Oh!
I didn't land it.
No.
It's like even closer to
It got maybe 2 inches off the rock and
I don't have enough speed, huh?
no.
There you go.
Rock race. Nice. Oh, all the way.
Oh, damn! I almost made it.
Almost all the way down. My turn. Yeah. Yeah, all the way down.
Yeah, I am not stupid.
This would be fun if we like set up gates.
Oh shit!
Oh, I made it off of your truck. Your truck saved me. All right, I'm stuck. How are we gonna get up?
Let me see if I can push you.
Okay.
Go.
Nope. My poor body.
yours might mix this one. I don't think it's that big.
Nope.